totally got busy, and I'm cutting, so I don't even know where I am or who I am, because the lack of calories from my fat ass hurts. But anyway, this is a vlog, and I did a lot of stuff and I forgot to talk. So we're gonna do this Tarantino style. We're gonna start from the end. What comes after the end? We're gonna go to the beginning, then we're gonna go back to the end. I overtrained like a mother this week. So week 2 into the cut, I figure I'm gonna lose a lot of strength, so I might as well go balls to the wall. I did 2 Reddit challenges. I did an axle deadlift for like as many reps as possible with double body weight. I did a one-handed deadlift. I upped my grip training, and then after all that I tried to go to the ninja gym. But yeah, anyway, the ninja gym turned out pretty bad. I got what I wanted to get for the most part, but something popped, and shit, that ain't even the right arm. There we go, something popped. It doesn't feel too bad now, but I couldn't straighten out my arm the next day. Yeah, that's how I do, man. I guess, you know, it's like going Super Saiyan, right? You gotta die and then come back stronger or something like that. Yeah, that's pretty much how this week went. Anyway, this vlog, I keep it 100% real. I'm gonna let you guys see when I suck. I'm gonna let you guys see when I'm awesome. So, keep watching.
Perfect.
I thought you were there. You got it.
We're 2 weeks into this cut. Everything hurts and I want to die. So it's a good day to do cardio. And by a good day, I mean it looks like it's gonna rain. But I've done worse things in the rain, like work. See how bad this tendon is jacked up. Just look away if I cry. So the only thing that got wet was my ass. It looks like we did all the goals for this week. I am feeling extremely beat up, but it's my own fault. I go pretty hard when it comes to cutting, and half the time that I thought I had. Anyway, I got a lot more stupid stuff for you guys, and that's about it. Just stay tuned. It's about to get crazy. Ohio next week, Ninja Warrior in 4 weeks. Even though if that happens, you guys won't see for a minute. A lot of good stuff on the way. Keep watching, please. All 15 of you.